Good afternoon, everyone. This is my fourth message to the NECC community of staff, parents, and members of the board. Today's Friday, April 3rd, and we're just closing out our fourth week of the COVID crisis. As you're all aware, the pandemic continues to rapidly evolve. Immediately following my last address, we received confirmation of the first case of COVID-19 within our staff. Our medical and administrative teams moved immediately and notified the Massachusetts Department of Public Health and our pediatrician, Dr. Anna Botar, at UMass Memorial. And we implemented a previously prepared response plan. Additionally, we consulted with UMass Memorial's Infectious Disease Department and an epidemiologist referred to us by the Massachusetts Secretariat of Health and Human Services. As promised, we notified parents of the impacted residents and provided them with an opportunity to speak with the administration via a Zoom conference call. We sent out a letter from Kathy Welch, the executive director here, and myself to the entire NECC community to inform everyone of the current situation. As promised, we have been completely transparent with all of you about what's happening here. Our nursing department continues to monitor all students carefully, and we're utilizing universal precautions with all staff and students who might present with any potential symptoms. Although the news of a positive case within the NECC community undoubtedly adds to anxiety and stress at this uncertain time, we knew that this news was inevitable. And the reality is that others within our community will be infected in the future. This is the beginning of several challenging weeks for all of us. Our focus right now is to slow down the spread of the virus as much as possible and to utilize all recommended preparedness measures. As of this weekend, we have more than 40 staff who volunteered to live and are moving into extended stay hotel rooms to limit potential transmission and are self-isolating, going back and forth to work with their own kitchens within each room and laundry facilities. I urge anyone living with family or living with staff or multiple teams at NECC to consider moving into an extended stay hotel room. If you're interested, please fill out the box note detailed in yesterday's staff email, and I think it will appear in today's staff update as well. The only way we're going to be able to stay open is if we have the healthy staff we need to keep our students safe. We continue to receive additional shipments of medical equipment and continue to seek out more. It's a free-for-all out there for equipment competing against other states, other organizations, and against our own country. Additionally, a hard-to-get shipment of individual hand sanitizers, which had been ordered previously for a special event, arrived yesterday, and we'll deliver those to each and every staff member this afternoon. We have more than 600 bottles of Purell with belt hooks to put them on to distribute to you today. Currently, the recommendation is to test for COVID-19 when individuals become symptomatic. Of course, we know that some people are asymptomatic. As the availability of testing supplies and a quicker turnaround for results starts to become a reality, these recommendations may change. We'll continue to communicate regularly with the Department of Public Health, University of Massachusetts Medical Center, our pediatrician, and the epidemiologist to ensure that we're implementing all updated preparedness and response measures. We wish all staff who have been infected a speedy recovery. As soon as you're healthy and cleared, we need you to come back to work. Again, I cannot thank our staff enough for their dedication and bravery during this very difficult time. Your inspirational and your hard work ensures that we can continue to keep serving our most challenging students. Please continue to implement the recommendations of the CDC and DPH in your personal life. Wash your hands, practice good hygiene, follow the social distancing guidelines, and lastly, please stay home. By the end of this phase of the pandemic, the New England Center will have spent $2 million unbudgeted dollars to support our staff for their courage and bravery that they exhibit every day in our residences. We are now first responders in a way that we never imagined. With all 900 of us working as one amazing team, we'll protect the students we love as long as necessary. Again, thank you all for your efforts during this crisis and for all of your support. We need it, and we appreciate it. And we'll be back to you next week with another update on how we're doing and what's going on. And if necessary, we'll do that more frequently as events warrant. We will continue to keep you in the loop and make sure that you know what we're doing to keep everyone safe and productive. Thank you.